Hi, my name is Benedetta Gennaro and I'm the head of the International Student Services at TU Darmstadt. For Unite, I co-coordinate Task Force 3, the Student Engagement and Welcome Center.
Benedetta, how do you imagine higher education in 10 years' time in Europe?
I imagine inclusive campuses where every member of our communities feel included, supported and welcome. I imagine communities where everybody can get support when they need. And I imagine universities where that can offer to all our students the opportunity to embark in a mobility program.